Hi, good morning, students. This is for ninth class students particularly, and for all other high school students also pay attention. This video is of mathematics in ninth class in chapter 8, quadrilaterals. In this our today's topic is properties of quadrilaterals. Properties of quadrilaterals. Before going into the actual subject, just I will tell you the basic fundamentals what you have learned in earlier classes. Listen carefully. So look at this. Here you see it is a point. It is a point. It is a point. It is a point. We just our geometry starts with the points. The points A, B, C, D. A, B, C. And we denote the points with the capital letters of English alphabet. ఈ జామెట్రీ అంటే రేఖాగణితంలో ఈ బిందువులు మనం బిందువులతో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది అసలు. ఈ బిందువులను మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, ఇంగ్లీష్ భాషలో ఉంటుంటే క్యాపిటల్ లెటర్తో సూచిస్తాం, ఏబిసిడి ఎట్సెట్రా ఎనీ పాయింట్. అండర్స్టాండ్? అండ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ దట్ ఆల్ ది పాయింట్స్ బిలాంగ్ టు ది సేమ్ ప్లేన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ ప్లేన్, సేమ్ ప్లేన్. ఆల్ ది పాయింట్స్ బిలాంగ్ టు ది సేమ్ ప్లేన్. ఏబిసిడి ఆర్ ది పాయింట్స్ ఇన్ ది సేమ్ ప్లేన్. ఏబిసిడి అనేవి ఒకే తలమునకు చెందినటువంటి బిందువులు కదా. ఇక బిందువుల తర్వాత తెలిసి వచ్చినాయి చూడండి, ఎల్, ఎం, ఎన్. సి వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్? దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ లైన్స్. These are all lines. We do not write with the small letters. Lines. See, after this straight line, we have arrow here, here and here. There are lines. We call them lines. వీటిని రేఖలు అంటాం. ఈ రకంగా ఉన్నటువంటి రేఖలు ఒకే తలమునకు చెందిన రేఖలు, ఒకే తలం మీద ఉన్నాయి. అది కూడా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి మీరు. రిమెంబర్, all the lines are on the same plane. Next, you come to this A and B. These 2 points, we joined these 2 points when we have a line segment. You call it as line segment. AB, we write the line segment bar, put a bar like that. And this we read it as line segment AB. Line segment AB. Like this here. PQ are 2 points. So we joined the 2 points and we have a line segment PQ. దీని ఏమంటాం ఇక్కడ తెలుగులో ఏబి రేఖాఖండం. ఓకే, రేఖాఖండం అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇది ఏబి అనే 2 బిందువుల మధ్యలో ఉండే రేఖాఖండము అంటాం. అలాగే పీక్యూ రేఖాఖండము. ఈ రేఖాఖండం అనే దాన్ని ఇలా బార్తో సూచిస్తాం, రేఖాఖండము. అదే దీన్ని రేఖాఖండం. ఇవి బిందువులు. వీటిని ఏమంటాము? రేఖలు. ఎల్ఎం అనేది రేఖలు అంటారు. వీటిని ఏబి అనేది రేఖాఖండము. రేఖాఖండము ఏబి. అలాగే రేఖాఖండము పీక్యూ. అండర్స్టాండ్? దీస్ ఆర్ ది సమ్ బేసిక్ పాయింట్స్. See, we have learned the points. What is a point? What is a line? And what is a line segment? Now here you see, at one point there are 2 rays passed, and here we have an angle. Understand? With one point, if you formed any two lines like this, we have an angle here. An angle will be formed, and here this angle is exactly 90 degrees. See the sides, it will be understand. You already have learned previously. This is 90 degrees. It is a right angle. లంబకోణం అంటారు, రైట్ యాంగిల్. If the measurement of the angle is 90 degrees, it is a right angle. It is less than 90 degrees, that is 60 degrees. It is an acute angle. It is greater than 90 degrees, 120 degrees, it is obtuse angle. And this is actually the same, both sides straight. It is a straight line. At any point on the straight line, we have 180 degrees. It is a straight angle. This is about the angles. ఇది లంబకోణము, అల్పకోణము, అధిక కోణము. Isn't that? So this is about the angles. Please, students, look here now. You see, we have studied about the angles in the previous time. angles, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle ಇದೆ. Understand? Now come here, you see what's the definition of a quadrilateral. Before that, you see here what is this? You know this, there are three non-collinear points, A, B, P, Q, or three non-collinear points. After joining three non-collinear points, we have a triangle, that is త్రిభుజం. తెలిసిందా? మూడు ఒకే లైన్లో లేనటువంటి త్రీ నాన్ కొలీనియర్ మీన్స్ ఒకే లైన్లో లేనటువంటిది నాన్ కొలీనియర్ పాయింట్స్ PQR. If you join them, you have a triangle. It has three sides. Remember one? It has three sides. That is over. Now we are going to quadrilateral. Now look here. What is a closed figure formed by four line segments is a quadrilateral. It has four sides. See, look here. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. It has four sides. Four sides closed figure is called a quadrilateral. Understand? And here you see, this is also a quadrilateral. This is also a quadrilateral. But what is the difference between these two? See this. In this quadrilateral, all the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal. Therefore, it is called a square. Square. చతురస్రము. చతురస్రము అంటారు తెలుగులో. This square means a quadrilateral having all four sides are equal and all four angles are equal. All four angles are right angles. All four angles are right angles. All four sides are equal. It is a square. It is a square. Now I am writing. See another figure. You see another quadrilateral. See how this is. This is also a quadrilateral. It is also having four sides. Four sides. Say put A, B, C, D, any capital letters. We will do it. That is. See what is this? How this opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. These two pair. See these two pair. This is length. This is called length, and this is called breadth. It is a rectangle. It is called rectangle, and all the angles are right angles. All the angles are right angles. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, and these two are equal and parallel. These two are equal and parallel, and all four angles are right angles. So this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. దీర్ఘచతురస్రము. దీన్ని దీర్ఘచతురస్రము అంటాం. Understand? These two are equal and these two are equal. All angles are 90 degrees. Here also all angles are 90 degrees. All are equal here. And this is a square and this is a rectangle. Understand? There are some more types of quadrilaterals are there. Let us see in a moment. Now look at these figures. See, these are also quadrilaterals. All these are all quadrilaterals. In the previously you have seen there are another two quadrilaterals. That is, one is a square and another is a rectangle. In square, all the sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Answer. And here you see, this is opposite sides are parallel. Opposite one pair of opposite sides are parallel, and this is a trapezium. This is called a trapezium. If these two sides are also equal and these two angles are equal, then this is isosceles trapezium. Understand? And this is called trapezium. See, look here, opposite sides are parallel, not equal. It is parallel. It is called a trapezium. Here, look at this figure. Opposite sides are parallel and equal, but all angles, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. They are not like in square. They are not right angles. Here they are equal. These two are acute angles, these two are obtuse angles. See, look here, opposite sides are equal. This side and this side. AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD and BC is equal to AD. Here, understand? This is parallelogram in Telugu. Samantara Chaturbhujam. Samantara Chaturbhujam. Look here. See, this is all four sides are in length, they are equal. Opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles are equal. All four sides also, length of four sides is equal. It is rhombus. See, this angle is equal. These two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. These two are parallel to equal. These two are parallel and equal. This is called rhombus. Its name is rhombus. And you see there is another quadrilateral. You see here also have four sides. And this is, its shape is a kite shape. Kite. Its shape is kite. It is a kite. Understand? Kite and telusu kada? So you know this is a kite. This is one. The adjacent sides are equal. These two and they are equal. Right? They are not parallel, but they are equal. In length they are equal. These two are equal. Adjacent pair of this pair is equal and this pair is equal. Opposite angles are equal. So these are the important properties of quadrilaterals, and we can write here. We can write. See, simply we write here AB is parallel to CD, in which AB is parallel to CD. In this trapezium, AB is parallel to CD, and here in parallelogram, AB is parallel to CD, and AB is equal to CD. Is equal to CD. And I like that. BC is parallel to AD. See, BC is parallel to AD and BC is equal to AD. Both opposite sides are parallel and equal. This is parallelogram. And here also, this angle is equal to this angle. Angle ADC is equal to angle ABC. Like that, angle DAB is equal to angle DCA. This is, see, these two angles are equal. Understand? So, opposite angles are equal. Now look here. Look at this here. See, all the sides are equal. Lengths of all the sides are equal. It is PQ is equal to QR is equal to RS is equal to PS. All angles are equal. But PQ is parallel to RS. Like that. QR is parallel to PS. QR is parallel to ES. Like that. Here also, angles, opposite angles are equal. S is equal to Q angle. Angle R is equal to angle P. Look here. These two are, what is the difference between these two? Here all four sides are equal. Here only opposite sides are equal. That is the thing. And here opposite angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. And this length is equal to this length. And this length is equal to this length. Understand? So this is about the kite. These are the important properties of quadrilaterals. So go through your textbook and read carefully, and we'll meet you in the next video with some other information about the quadrilaterals, about the angles, and the sum of the angles in a quadrilateral. Understand? That's all for today. Welcome your comments, subscribe, and if you like it, share it.